how to fix no audio generated in Google AI Studio. So if you want to fix no audio generated in Google AI Studio, then first you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser and go with Google AI Studio and go with the official website. And once you're on the website, you need to just simply go with the top left, which has that site settings option. Click on that, and here you will have site settings. Once you click on the site settings here on the right side, you will have the usage cookies usage. You need to go with clear data or delete data, which will be on the right side, and go with delete. After deleting, the problem might be fixed. Sometimes cookies cause bugs during the generation process. After that, you need to reset the settings or reset all of your permissions. After resetting, you need to reload your site, go back and reload right here. Hopefully, this will work. If it still doesn't work, then try changing the avatar because sometimes certain avatars do not generate content. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.